Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see about the what you have to do after B pharmacy, right? What careers are better for you. So, right, a pharmacy degree is really an important degree overall if I talk about. So what to do next? Rather than thinking of this, right, to do a job or to give one more exam, to do an MBA, to do an M-Pharma, to do an M-Tech, or to do any sort of thing, you must have a clarity before that what you have to do. You have to do a job, you have to do further studies, or you have to do, right, what type of study, right? You have to go to abroad, you have to be here in India, what kind of thing you have to do? You have to do M Pharma, M Tech, or MBA. So what are the better and currently the important options that you can do? First of all, let's look to the job scenario. So one of the most important skill as a B Pharma person that you can learn, right? So let's see some B Pharma careers, right? What you can do after B Pharma. So mainly the most important thing is job. Suppose a person wants to do a job, so what he should do in this 4 years of B Pharma? One of the most important thing you should do, you should make your ecology better, right? Make your pharmacology better. If you want to do job after B Pharma, first thing you have to do is make sure you know the pharmacology better. After pharmacology, the most important thing you can do is you can do a data analysis course, right? I think this will helpful. It will be helpful for you in every aspect of making a good salary after B Pharma. So what comes in data analysis? If I talk about, the most important is Excel. After Excel, there is Power BI. After Power BI, there is most important SQL. After SQL, there is Python. After Python, there is statistics, and there are so many things. One more thing you can add up is Power Query. But I will write Power Query here. Power Query. So these are the six fundamental things you must know, right? If you want to call yourself as a data analyst. So why this is helpful? If I talk about the Excel, the skill is one of the most important skill currently in the market. So if you are having a B Pharma degree, means you are having a good knowledge of drugs, that your ecology is better, your sutics, your knowledge of sutics is really not that good, but you know what things is there, what is not there, right? So you know the better things. So it's if it's there, any company will have a very strong approach to hire you, right? The approach for hiring you will be 10x more better than a person who just knows B Pharma or who is just having more marks than you, right? Because you are having the industry ready skills, and Excel is the most important, right? Excel is the most important. So whether you learn all this or not, learning Excel is the most important thing. So what is most of the people are saying this? I know Excel. I'm learning Excel from my class 10th. I'm having MSCIT. I'm having different type of courses. I'm having ICT subject in my curriculum. So this is not the thing. So what you have learned in Excel at that time is normal things, right? How to do sorting, how to do adjusting, filtering, all that. I think not that also. The major things that you have to learn in Excel, right? The major things you have to learn in Excel, what is there? So in Excel, you have to learn the most important. That is, first is pivot tables. How you can make the pivot tables, right? Then how you can use the VLOOKUP. Then how you can use the VLOOKUP. Then how you can use the XLOOKUP. Then how you can use the very important one more time. That is some important formulas, right? So all these things you must know. If you want to have a better job in the field of Excel, you can do all these things. You can also use some freelancing websites from which you can get the Excel work. So which for a fresher, this really becomes a tougher job to do a freelancing. Currently, previously it was a good one, but still there is a good things available. That is freelancer.com is there. Then there is Upwork and Fiverr, but right, Upwork is there, Fiverr is there. But better option for you is currently freelancer.com, right? So freelancer.com is currently a better option for you because it is better for freshers than Upwork and Fiverr, according to me. So this is all the things you can do after B Pharma if you want to do a job perspective. What is there if you want to do like MBA, MTech or M-Pharma? The most important thing you have to remember in what field you are, how you are. Because just getting marks in an MBA is not the thing. You are having a very good, right? You are having a very good percentile. You're going in IM ABC, then there is a different sort of thing. That's not a big deal. Then you can go. But as a pharma student, most of the people are not knowing maths properly. They have been skipping the maths, and therefore they are coming in the field of pharmacy, or they are coming in the field of PCB after their class 10. So what to do? So for you, instead of doing a general MBA, you're having a better option, that is pharma MBA, right? And this is really a good thing because the scores that you need to get admission to pharma MBA is comparatively very lesser than that of a general MBA, right? The score you are requiring is generally less than a general MBA. In general MBA, you need a comparatively very high score, right? If you want to go in top colleges. In pharma MBA, it's not like that. Okay, if the pharma MBA is from the central government institutes like NIPER, you still have to score very good percentile, right? You have to score in above in all India rank 100 to get the admission to Pharma MBA, and this is really a good college, right? NIPER Mohali is there, NIPER Hyderabad is there, who is generally giving this sort of thing. The next important colleges you are having for Pharma MBA is IHMR University, right? Then you are having that is IHMR University Jaipur. Then you are having the next is NMIMS. Comparatively fees is very high. The next thing is, but it is good college. The next thing is SIS Mumbai. Then there is most important college one more time, that is right. There is Dipsru is there. There is what we call it as Jamia Hamdard is there. So all these colleges are there. So this college is generally providing the PGDM in pharmaceutical management. All others are providing the MBA in pharmaceutical management. So all these colleges are there which are providing the pharma MBA courses, and these colleges except NIPER all are preferring the CAD, CMAT, and MAT scores. Generally, NMIMS takes only NMAT score, but comparatively getting admission into the pharma MBA is easy, and you are having a very good domain knowledge. So the general MBA students who wants to come into pharma MBA and to compete with you, it's become little difficult for them to compete with you because you are having the core domain knowledge and you have invested your 4, or sometimes a person who has M Pharma has invested 6 years of knowing all these things. So this is a very good thing that you are having a very competitive edge over the general MBA students, though he is from great colleges like IIMs, because you are having a good knowledge of drugs, you are having a good knowledge of pharma industry, you're having a good knowledge of regulatory things and all that. So and due to this, the admission is also little easy. But if you are having good skills, one of the most important skill is the communication skill if you are talking about MBA. So communication skill plays one of the most important role in MBA, right? After communication skills, you must have the great Excel, right? MS Office, if you can say, right? MS Office, like in this, Excel is there. Then there is, right? Excel is there. There is PPT is there, and there is what we call it as Word is there, right? What has happened? No worries. PPT is there, Word is there, and all that. So this is all about MBA. If you want to join the MBA, and if you are having a very good knowledge, and if you want to of mathematics, not that good knowledge, but if you are willing to do, and if you are ready to put the efforts and the good end, you can definitely go for CAT examination, and if you can compete for the IIM seats, right? In the IIM, there is the ABC, there is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta. One more thing I want to cover, that is in Pharma MBA and General Pharma MBA and PGDM, that is MBA and PGDM. No such more differences there. You can definitely go for an MBA or you can go for a PGDM. Both are almost equal, right? PGDM is a diploma, so it will not be that good. It is not like that. The major thing that matters, college is placements. If the college is giving the placement, it's a good thing. The next most important thing is the M Pharma. Is it good currently? Yes, it is good, but only from very good colleges from which you can get some placements. Like there is NIPER is there. Then if I talk about next colleges like Pune College is there, Bombay College is there, ICT is there. Then there is, right, there is the Mace Punjab University is there. Then there is one more time JSS is there. Then one more time there is NMIMS is there. Then what colleges are there? Next BITS is there. Very important, BITS Pilani, BITS Hyderabad. Then there is one more good colleges like what we call it as. So different types of Jamia Hamdard, how we can come right. Forget about Jamia Hamdard, one of the most important colleges. So all these types of colleges are there from which you have to do, right. At least you have to do your M Pharma from top 20 to 30 colleges so that you can get a good placement. Right, you will get a good placement after M Pharma from a normal college as well. But going to this college will increase your chances of getting a high paying package, right? Generally, after M Pharma, currently the high paying packages are really less, but definitely it grows in the with duration. So, person who is definitely genuinely interested in research and who is ready to put the efforts should go and do the M Pharma, right? The salary packages are there, but after a certain amount of experience, you'll get a good salary package, and also you can with M Pharma you can also prepare for the government examinations, which could be a great option for all of you. So that doing the government exams is also a great option for you. The next thing is you can go for MTech. So where MTech is available, what kind of MTech, right? You can go to IITs, right? How you can go to IITs? By giving which exam? You can give the GATE examination, right? GATE examination that has been conducted by IITs. Right? It has been conducted by IITs. So there is IIT Bombay is there, which is a good college, providing the biomedical engineering seats for with the help of GATE Excel examination. You have to give GATE Excel, either GATE Excel examination or GATE BT exam. I will prefer you to give mainly the GATE Excel examination because currently that is having more relevance than GATE BT, because the GATE BT, the courses which you are getting through GATE BT is mostly the research courses in biotechnology and in the IITs. And the research, the core jobs available after this course is really very less, and students have to go into non-core fields to get the placements. So it becomes sometimes very difficult to get the placements as well. In GATE Excel also, if you get the biomedical engineering, it is sometimes difficult to get the core seats. Means core jobs are really less, very less, frankly speaking. So you have to go to non-core branches, non-core branches, and you have to fight with the right fight in the sense you have to compete with the students of the BTech for the roles, like data analysis is there, then analyst roles are there, and data scientist roles are there. So for all these roles you have to compete with that people. You have to learn that type of skills, and then you have to set for the placements. So that is the most important thing. And you have to score in your university exams as well, because good CGPA is important to get a good placement, and sometimes a good CGPA is important to at least sit in the placements. That you have to have a decent CGPA to sit in a placement. So after this, the most important, you can take admission with the help of GATE Excel is ICT Mumbai. So you can get admission in what? Pharmatech is there. After Pharmatech, there is very important. There is dyes is there. Dyes MTech is there. Then there is dyes means colors and all that. Right, colors in the pharma industry. Right, it's been used in tablets and all that. Then perfumery is there. A branch name there is perfumery. Right, branch name there is perfumery is there. It's also having a better placements. The next thing, one more thing you can do after is GATB. So that is you can get the bioprocess technology, right? BPT, this field. And this field is also having a good placements currently in the market. And BPT and GATB, generally the biotech people examination, you can give, a pharma students can give this exam, not that hard. It's simple. You need at least 120 marks out of something like 240 or 250. You can just check it out, right? So that much you can score, definitely, right? If you study well, you'll get the ICT Mumbai, and the placements are also getting better day by day overall in this field. So BPT is there, and also one more course is there, that is the pharma biotech. That is the pharma biotech, right? Pharma biotech is also there. So this is all about the different courses. Nearly 10 seats are available in this course, and nearly 30 seats are available in this course. So the seats are not that much, but yes, this is a overall a good college, and this is the overall things you can have as a B pharmacy students, and these are all the things you can do after B pharmacy to get a better career in terms of money, fame, and a good position in the pharmaceutical sector. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Right, let's meet with some new things. Right, you can just comment down below. So on which topic I should make the videos. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.